This is the craziest trick in the shop. It is so crazy that we have to keep it down here on the inside of the case. Now there's only one way in there, and that's if you open up this back panel. You can reach in, take out the deck, and I will show you the trick. Before you do though, you gotta know that all the cards in the deck are indeed different cards. It's also important that the card is freely chosen. So go ahead and cut anywhere you want into the pack of cards. Perfect, I'll take these away from you. Take a look at the card that you've cut to there. And I'm gonna move these aside, and I want you to place that card face up on the glass here. Okay, great. Now, I want you to watch this jack carefully, because I'm just going to cover the jack for a moment, and you'll see it melt directly into the glass. Now that is really on the other side of the glass, yeah? No way through the front, no way through the top, only one way through, and that is the back side here. I'm gonna open it up so that you can really see it. Empty hand. There is no way that this thing actually passed through the glass, but it did, and that is crazy.